Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social proof with Trustpilot, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase social proof with Trustpilot, first, create a Trustpilot account. Visit the Trustpilot website and click on Get Started. Fill in your business details, including your company name and website. Choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs. After setting up your account, verify your business email address to activate it. Next, customize your profile by adding your logo and a compelling description. Make sure to highlight your unique selling points. Now, it's time to request reviews from your customers. Send a personalized email to satisfied customers asking for their feedback. You can also use Trustpilot's automated review invitation emails. Make reviewing easy by providing a direct link to your Trustpilot page. Monitor incoming reviews regularly to stay engaged with customer feedback. Respond to reviews promptly, whether they are positive or negative. This shows potential customers that you value their opinions. Encourage your team to share positive reviews on social media. Utilize Trustpilot's widgets to display reviews on your website. Embedding reviews on product pages can also boost credibility. Consider using Trustpilot Insights to analyze trends in customer feedback. This data can help inform your business strategy and improve customer experience. Keep promoting the importance of reviews to your customers. Regularly remind them that their feedback makes a difference. Lastly, continuously update your Trustpilot profile with fresh content and testimonials. This will help maintain engagement and attract new reviews over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.